In this video, I will show you how to watch replays on CS2 using Faceit. At first, you need to get the demo file from Faceit. Go to Faceit website and log into your account. Click on the Matches tab to access your match history. Select the match you want to review. Scroll down and look for the Download GOTV demo button. Click it to download the .dem file to your PC. Now, CS2 requires demo files to be placed in a specific directory. Locate your CS2 installation folder. Move the .dem file into the CSGO folder. Now, it's time to watch the replays in the game. Launch the CS2 and open the developer console by pressing tilde key. If the console isn't enabled, go to Settings, then Game, then enable Developer Console and turn it on. In the console, type play demo space your demo name. Replace that your demo name file with the actual name of the .dam file without including .dem. Press enter and the demo will start playing. That's it. Now you know how to watch replays on CS2 using Faceit. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.